Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Google TV profile pin. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Select your account or profile. Let me select this account Anna. Let me lock this profile. Select lock profile, and here you can see it's asking for the pin. I am going to reset this pin. Select forgot pin. Enter the password of Google account. Then submit. See, here we can create new pin. Let me enter new pin. Let me enter 1313. Then confirm that pin. Again enter 1313. Done. Pin created successfully. This way we can reset Google TV profile pin. See. Let me test it. Let me again try to lock the profile. See, it's asking for the pin. Let me enter the new pin 1313. See, it's working. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.